You can see my IP address is, wait couple of seconds. Yes, you can see my out IP address is this, and my current local country is Bangladesh, and it is selected. Now we are adding a free VPN for in our browser. Search VPN. Enter. Just click on first link, create VPN for Chrome VPN proxy VPN. Then click add to Chrome, add extension. Then the extension is download automatically, and it is set up automatically. We have choose free, continue limited. Then next, done. Uh, you can see that free VPN is added. Uh, then click this VPN, then continue, start, and you can select your location, which country you want to select. You can see France, Netherlands, USA, UK. These are free. If you want select this region, you need a premium version. We just select now UK, then start the VPN, then VPN is on. Uh, if you redirect this website, reload, you can see my current location is London, region England, United Kingdom. So UK. That's mean you can access whole world with this VPN free